Hello beautiful parents, welcome to Mom on Board. I am Sharvin. Our today's topic is again interesting topic and very common in babies and in elder person also. Yes, constipation. Constipation is a really troublesome, bothering thing in babies. Baby get irritated. They are not happy. A happy baby is converted into a crying or irritating baby because of constipation. It's really a troublesome and bothering thing. Even an elder person, they are disturbed because of this problem. In today's video, I am going to share a constipation remedies and causes of constipation. Before start today's video, I'll just take 2 minutes of yours. So please press the green button that you are seeing on your screen. That is a subscription button. We all are making a big fat family of Mom on Board. So please press the green button for subscription and don't forget to press the bell icon. That will give you notification what are the different interesting things, what are the different things happening in Mom on Board. You will get notification first of all it, and please comment on the video if you really like the video. If you are having different information what I am sharing with you all, so please comment and please share this video more and more, and please hit the like button or do watch video till the end. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button for me. So here we are, without wasting much more time, we are starting our today's video. Causes of constipation and remedies for that. We all don't want to give so much medication to babies. It is not recommended to give so much medication to small babies. That is not really good for their health. Me and Tanmay believe that there is a solution of all illness of our body is present in our kitchen. That is the home remedies. Just we have to look at the right ingredient. If we take a right ingredient for a right disease, then definitely that will cure a little bit, and it also obviously give a little bit comfort to babies and to elders also. So let's start. What are the causes of constipation in babies? First is habitual. Yes, it's very common when babies are busy in their playing area or in their playing activity, or they are busy with their friends. They generally refuse to go to potty. As parents, we have to look out. Generally, we know at what time in a day they had a call for a potty, and at that time, generally we have to take him or her to the bathroom and urge him to do potty. So it's a habitual thing. As a parent, personally, we have to look into that. Then second is change in diet. Yes, after 6 months, when we are introducing new food, that is a solid food to babies, their body all of a sudden getting new thing, and their body takes some time to adjust with that solid. So it's because of change in diet, there may be a chances of constipation, because up to 6 months they are just consuming breast milk or formula milk. That is already accepted by their body, and it is well digested by their body. But all of a sudden it's a problem in elder also. If we eat something different in a day, then next day obviously we had a constipation of problem. The same thing is happen with the baby also. If suddenly we are introducing a new thing, that is means after 6 months, even though we are introducing solid to baby step by step, like in 6 months only one solid intake, then in 7 months 2 solid intake, but that one solid intake is also new thing to their body. So it definitely takes some time for digestion of that solid. So change in diet is a second cause of constipation. Then third is change in routine. Yes, there is a different phases of baby's growth development, like 0 to 6 months, 6 months to 1 year, 1 to 2 year. Their sleeping pattern is changes, their food intake is changes, and their all routine is changes because of their development. Or in case if we are go outside for any event or party or a trip, in that case also their regular routine is disturbed, and because of that also their food intake or the timing of eating it changes. That is also a cause of constipation in babies. Then fourth is medication. Yes, for up to 1 year doctor recommend to give iron drops to babies for their proper growth and development. Iron drops are essential for babies, but because of that what happens, constipation problem is occurs. Every baby is different, they respond differently to different medication. Iron drops or iron syrup can be easily digested by some babies, or some babies that may be difficult or trouble of digesting that iron drops. In case of Raghav, because of iron drops, we had faced a problem of constipation. So in that case, I had consult with doctor. They told me to reduce the dose. Because of that, he will get a little bit relief from the constipation, and we did it, and really it worked for me. Little bit decrease in dose give me relief from the constipation. Iron is very essential, we can't avoid it, but yes, consult with the doctor if you are facing the same problem as I had faced. Doctor will recommend you in how much quantity you should give the dose, and because iron is very essential for baby's development, so we can't skip it, but we can adjust the dose accordingly. Then fifth is cow's milk. Yes, cow's milk is not recommended up to 1 year. We can't give cow's milk or buffalo milk to babies up to 1 year, because their digestive system is not so developed, their intestines are not so developed, they are just developing, and cow milk or buffalo milk is very heavy for digestion to them. So avoid cow's milk if you are giving to your baby, that may cause a constipation. And if your baby is above 1 year and still you are facing the problem of constipation, then WHO had recommendation that in what amount we can add water in their milk, so that baby can easily digest that cow's or buffalo milk, and there will be not a constipation problem to baby. Then six is family history. Yes, if you are facing the same problem of constipation, if your parent, grandparent, or the constipation problem is in your family, then obviously your baby also faces this problem. But as your baby grows, he develops his intestinal system, his digestive system, this problem goes naturally, so nothing to worry about in it. Then last is toilet training issue. Yes, believe me, so many parents to do so much rush in teaching their babies potty training. Please don't do that. Believe me, Raghav is 2 years now. We didn't give him any potty training. Naturally, he tells us when he feels like he had potty. We take him to the bathroom and he do potty naturally in the bathroom. What happens if we teach them potty training so early? At some point of time, babies are irritated and they refuse to do potty in that pot, or when they see a pot, they just don't feel like they are having potty. So please don't rush them, don't hurry them to teach potty training. It's a natural thing. They obviously tell you when they feel like I have a potty. Obviously they learn everything. So please don't rush to learn your baby everything in early stage. So these are the different causes of constipation in babies. Now moving towards the remedies. In remedies, first we are going to see what are the different fruits that will help to relieve from constipation. First we see the 4 P's. Yes, these are the magical 4 P's. I will recommend, please incorporate in your baby's diet this 4 P. At least one of the fruits should be incorporated in your baby's daily diet. So what are the 4 P's? Papaya, prunes, peaches and pear. Yes, these are like a magic, these are like a wonder. What they will do? First of all, see the papaya. Papaya contains the enzyme papain. Yes, what papain does? It's breaking down the complex protein and helps in digestion. It is having a natural laxative papain. It gives a relief from constipation. So papaya is a very good fruit. You will see when we are having some trouble in our tummy, elder one also, our mummy just tell us, go and eat papaya, you will get a relief. Yes, papaya is having natural ability. It's having a natural laxative that will help in digestion. Then next P is prunes. Prunes are the magic. They are very high fiber content. They are laxatives and they contain very much antioxidants. Antioxidants are very good for baby's health, for baby's digestive system. So prunes are very useful in treating the constipation. And next is pear. Pear is like a magic. It's like a wonder. It's, you can't believe, pear worked me so well in treating constipation. I give Raghav daily 1 pear in any form, in puree or in his rice or in his oats. So pear is like just a miracle, just like a wonder. It is very rich in fiber. It contains vitamin C. It's having natural laxative. So it gives relief from constipation. It gives relief from gas also. Then last P is peaches. Peaches is the healthiest fruit. It's very high fiber content among all pea fruits and it gives relief from constipation. So please incorporate any one of the pea fruit in your baby's daily diet. It just gives miracle, it just gives wonder effect and your baby will really relief from constipation. Then we will see other fruits that are having this fiber content and give relief from constipation, which includes the pineapple. Pineapple is having bromelain enzyme which helps in easy bowel movement in baby. That is pineapple give relief from constipation in babies and to elders also. So also you can, if you have a constipation problem, you can also incorporate in your diet. It will give you a wonder effect to you also. Then banana is very rich in vitamins, minerals. Daily I incorporate 1 to 2 banana in Raghav's diet. It's just like miracle. It smooths the bowel movement and it gives a soft stool. So banana is very good option in constipation. Then oranges. Yes, oranges is very rich in fiber, but you can't give orange to babies below 1 year because orange may causes the problem of acidity. So baby above 1 year, you can give orange juice to babies or a slices of orange. Then guava is having a rich dietary fiber. It's very good. Actually, the seeds which are present in guava, they are very useful in treating constipation. They are having very much fiber it themselves. So guava is also a very good option. Now Raghav is 2 years. He just like guava. What I do, I just cut the slices and he just ate while walking, and it's like a wonder for me. Guava is also a very good option. Then apple. Yes, apples are very rich in fibers. What I do, I just make a puree of 1 to 2 fruits for him, just like pear or apple. I steamed properly in a cooker and give him in a puree form, so he will also enjoy it. And please believe me, it give you a wonderful result. It will definitely give you relief from constipation. So please, any 1 to 2 fruit in your baby's diet daily incorporate. That will definitely give you a positive result. Your baby definitely get relief from constipation problem. Then the next is dry fruits. Yes, dry fruits are also very rich in fiber. They also give a good results in indigestion and constipation problem. First is dates. What we have to do, that is soak dates in warm or cold water. It's up to you, and make a syrup or decoction of it and give to your baby. It just give a wonder and miracle effect because dates are very rich in fiber. Then the next is raisins. Yes, raisins are having a digestive fiber, and take a handful of raisins, soaked it in a warm water overnight, and in the next day squeeze out, smash out, and just give the decoction or the syrup of the raisins to your baby. It's just give a wonder and a miracle effect. Raisin is also having a second benefit, that is it give a coolness effect to body. It give relief from acidity. So in summer, definitely I will recommend to give raisin decoction or raisin syrup to your baby. It definitely give relief from constipation and indigestion. Then next is apricot. Apricot is having beta carotene antioxidants. It's very good for your baby's health and is also very rich in fiber, and it smoothens the bowel movement of baby, and it definitely give relief from constipation and indigestion problem. And the last dry fruit is figs. Yes, it makes the stool soften and helps in digestion. Among the 4 dry fruits, that is dates and raisins, I will recommend you can obviously give to the babies below 1 year also, that is from 6 months to 1 year. But apricot and figs, I will recommend to give babies above 1 year, because up to 1 year, the baby's digestive system, their intestine is developing. We don't know in what way they are responding to these things. So I will recommend to give figs and apricot to the baby above 1 year. These are different dry fruits which can help in treating constipation and indigestion problem in babies. Then the next is vegetables. Vegetables are like miracles and wonders. In vegetables, first is broccoli. Broccoli is like wonder. It is having very high fiber content. You can obviously incorporate your baby's diet. Then next is palak. Palak really wonder for me. Raghav loves palak. In his diet, on alternate day, I incorporate palak in his rice. So palak is very rich in minerals, in vitamins, in irons. Obviously, you can incorporate in your baby's daily diet also. It obviously give a very good result in treating constipation and indigestion. Then third is carrot. Carrots is like a wonder. It is having sources of so many vitamins, minerals, iron. It's very good for your baby's health. It is rich in fiber, so obviously it gives relief from indigestion and constipation. And the next is cauliflower. Personally, I don't like cauliflower at all, but cauliflower is having a very high rich fiber content, so it's very useful in treating constipation and indigestion in babies. Babies generally refuse to eat vegetables. They generally don't like to eat all veggies. Touchwood, Raghav loves all vegetables and fruits. What I do, I just incorporate vegetables in his daily diet in any form, like mixed vegetable soup, or in his dalia, rice, oatmeal. In any form, I incorporate one vegetable in daily diet that gives you beneficiary effect in constipation and indigestion. Then moving towards cereals, barley, oatmeal and dalia. Raghav loves oatmeal and dalia. They are very rich in fiber content and gives softens stool to babies, and obviously get relief from constipation and indigestion problem. Then other remedies. In other remedies, first is nutmeg. What we have to do? Make a paste of it on a raw stone and give a pinch of it to your baby. I will recommend to give it to baby above 1 year because it's crystalline in nature. It's not so much smooth in nature. So babies below 1 year, their digestive system is not developed so much. So personally, I don't recommend to give nutmeg to baby below 1 year. Then second is honey. Doctor will recommend to give honey to babies above 1 year. What we have to do? Take 1 tablespoon of honey, mix with warm lukewarm water, stir it properly, and offer to your baby every day or every alternate day. It definitely give a good result and get relief from constipation and indigestion problem. Then the next is lemon. Lemon is also for babies above 1 year. 2 to 3 drops of lemon you can add in baby's food, or you can make a lemon syrup by adding some sugar in it and offer to your baby. It also give a good result and relief from constipation and indigestion. Then the next is ghee. Ghee contains the butyric acid which helps in digestion. You can give ghee to from 6 months to 1 year baby also. Ghee is a very good source of butyric acid which helps in digestion. Then the next is ajwain. Ajwain itself known for treating indigestion and constipation in elderly person also and in babies also. Ajwain you can give to babies above 1 year. What we have to do? Make a decoction of ajwain. Take 1 to 2 scoop of ajwain and boil it properly. Make a decoction and offer to baby 1 to 2 tablespoons. It will give a good result and relief from constipation and indigestion. Then the next is fennel seed. Fennel seed are also very good in digestion and it gives relief from constipation. It is having carminative effect. You can make a fennel seed decoction. What we have to do, like ajwain, take a 1 to 2 scoop of fennel seed, boil it in water and make a decoction and offer to your baby above 1 year. If you are a breastfeeding mother, your baby is below 1 year, then in that case you can directly eat fennel seed in your daily diet after your lunch or dinner. That will also give relief from indigestion and constipation to you and your babies also. Then the next is increase in fluid intake. Yes, it's very important when baby all of a sudden gets shifted on solid after 6 months. His or her body required fluid in more quantity, because before 6 months he or she on a breast milk or formula milk, he or she getting water in that form, but after starting solid his or her body require more fluid for digestion of that solid. So after offering a solid to a baby, after 10 to 15 minutes, offer little bit fluid to your baby for proper digestion. If you are giving juice to your baby, if your baby likes it, then you can offer juice to your babies like pineapple juice, apple juice, pomegranate juice. It also give a very good result in treating constipation and indigestion. Then the next remedy is treating indigestion and constipation is take a warm cloth or a warm towel and tie around your baby's tummy below his or her belly button. That will also give relief from gas. That also give relief from indigestion and constipation by releasing the muscle, relaxing the muscles of the intestine. So it's also a good option in treating constipation in babies. Then the next is massage. Yes, I just love it because it's like a wonder, like miracle for me in Raghav's case. Raghav is 2 years now, but still when we feel like he is having a gas trouble or indigestion problem, at that time we massage him around his belly button. I know we are not having that much time to do massage on full body of baby, so at least do massage in his or her tummy area in the morning before his or her bath, or in the night when at the bedtime. It really gives a very good result in treating constipation and indigestion in babies. For massage, you can use any oil which is you are using. I use coconut oil. It's very sufficient to give good result. Then the last is exercise. Yes, if your baby is 0 to 1 year, then in that case you can easily do exercise. Just do cycling to his legs so that he can easily pass the gas, and obviously it gives relief from constipation and indigestion problem. But if your baby is above 1 year and you can't do exercise on legs, then just by playing with him or just by doing some activities like running or walking, in that case also he or she get relief from constipation and indigestion. Because of that activity his gas gets out and he get relief from that all problem. This is all about the causes of constipation in babies and remedies for that. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Comment me if you are having any queries. I will definitely answer your all queries. Please subscribe Mom on Board. We have to make a very big fat family of Mom on Board. Please subscribe Mom on Board. Take good care of yourself. Till then, please be on board and be in touch.